Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the phone turns on, the screen is intact, and battery health percentage. This tells buyers the real condition. Next, you back up data and disable locks, factory reset only after removal. Once done, photograph the device from multiple angles in good light, include serial and accessories, and timestamp a powered-on screen. That builds trust and speeds the sale. Now choose a platform based on fees and reach, then set an honest, competitive price. You craft a concise title with brand, model, storage, and carrier status so buyers filter correctly. In the description, explain how the phone functions, list defects and recent repairs, and explain battery capacity. Transparency reduces disputes. Once complete, upload high-resolution images and timestamped video showing power on and settings. Make sure to set shipping with tracking, choose a payment method that protects you, and price slightly under comparable listings. To attract, you confirm payment has cleared and verify buyer details before you ship. This prevents chargebacks and fraud. Then, prepare the package using anti-static wrap and secure padding, include a printed receipt and remove any personal labels. Once shipped, share the tracking number and estimated delivery. Keep photos of packed item and postage receipt. If a problem arises, respond quickly, offer partial refund if minor, or request return. Document everything to resolve disputes efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.